Hello you guys, I have a video review of this Sterilite filing box, and I gotta say I ordered this and I already love it. I have a mess in my filing cabinet. If you guys want to see it real quick, this is a mess and I have a bunch of old stuff in here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to organize, right? So this is why I purchased it, and let's go over some of the specs, okay? So it does say the file box, okay? It is 18.5 inches long by 14 inches wide and 11 inches high. Okay, so the reason I bought it is because it's for legal and it's for letter, and I'm gonna be opening it up right now and showing you guys exactly what I'm talking about. See if you guys can see it right here. Okay, so it does come with this nice black top box right here, and I do like the fact that it's clear. I like to see in here, see what's going on, and this is gonna be it right here. Let me show you guys how this is used. Let's see, maybe I could start organizing since I'm in here, but I'll just take a couple out like so. Man, I definitely need to organize, you guys. Okay, so this is the letter size, right? You guys could see that, it's on there, it's nice, it's gonna slide. You could fill this puppy up right here, so you're gonna have all kinds of stuff. And what I want to do is I want to organize, like I said, and I want to get this out the way. And I have a bunch of stuff in here that's outdated, so that's why I bought this, just to kind of get it out the way, that way to make room for the new stuff. Okay, so I did want to show you guys, it is also for legal size papers. Okay, I don't have one right here on hand, but this is actually legal size right here, and then you could put legal size papers. So this filing cabinet or filing box is for both legal and letter. And you guys, so I'm gonna put this back on. We're gonna close the top so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, and then it does have the nice little handles down here, so it's easy to carry. All you have to do is pick it up like this. Depending on how much papers you have in there is depending on how heavy it's gonna be, okay? But I mean, this is super light. I only have 2 files in there. That is not a big deal right there. But I gotta say, this lid does hit, it closes nice and tight, okay? So there it is right there. You don't have to worry about this lid coming undone, none of that good stuff. So that is my review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I definitely recommend this product.